Okay, so now what does all this have to do with marrying a Thai woman? Number one, Thai women, like all other women, are smart. They are not dumb. There is not a single girl in this world whose dream is to marry a fat, old, ugly, stupid guy. There's not a single woman on this planet. You think Thai women don't have dreams to marry a nice man, a good-looking man who looks handsome, a man who is slim, a man who is young? You think they are all dying to marry a fat old guy with hair on his stomach and, walking like a blob and who talks like this, who's drinking? You think girls, that is their dream? Just as they want to look beautiful, you think they don't want the best for themselves? See, use common sense, man. Why are they marrying you? Why? Why does a girl marry or hang around with a guy who's fat and ugly? You know it, I know it. It's not just Thai. It's not just any particular nationality. Every woman on this planet, every woman, all women who get married or have a partner, they want the partner to take care of them. I'm not talking of those women who are single and who believe in being independent. But the majority of women want a strong man, want a man who look after them, take care of them, provide for them. Okay? But then the problem is, there are some women for whom that is a need, N-E-E-D, need, and there are some for whom that is greed. They just want to marry to have a good life. So this guy who's fat and ugly, why you think in Europe or in his country, in America or in France or in Italy or in Germany or in Russia, he's not getting any woman? Why? Because they know, fuck, he's a dumb fuck, he's a loser, he looks ugly. Okay. But here what happens is, when you come to the eastern part of the world, when you come to Thailand, your US dollar, $1 becomes 35 baht. 1 UK pound, from before it was 1 UK pound is 100 baht. Today it is, I think, 38 or something, I don't know. It's quite less, 50 or something. It's almost half or less. So Australian dollar, $1. These guys who come here to Thailand, back home in their country, in the West, they're living hand to mouth. Okay? But here when they come, when they convert their currency, it becomes 30 times more. Just imagine. Suppose you had 1 million, it becomes 30 million here. And if you live in a very simple village, that 30 million is enough, man. It's enough to last you for a, lifetime? Enough lifetime. So, these women who these guys target, you'll notice one thing. These fat old men will never target someone who's educated, someone who's very smart, someone who's very successful. These girls that they marry come from the poor village. They come from, humble beginnings. And some of these poor girls, see one more dog. Some of these girls, they don't even have food to eat. They are farmers or they are laborers or they are cleaners. And for them, they have no hope. It's not only Thailand, it's Philippines, it's Burma. For them, they just want a good life. Not only for them, for their family. And many of these girls, okay, they believe that they are, these girls, why did I want a daughter? Because girls, especially in Thailand, especially in Philippines, especially in India, they take care of their parents. The eastern countries, girls, more than boys, they take care of their parents. They, my wife, she still takes care of her mother and father. So these girls believe that I should take care of my parents. And they work hard. And when they work, they earn little. Do you know that some of them, they earn only $100 a month? So now, you come from the West. You get a minimum wage of $10 an hour. Okay, in 10 hours, you make what this poor girl will make in a month. Okay, in one day, you'll make what this girl makes in a month. So in 1 month, you'll make what this girl would make in 30 months. So don't you think that you'll be able to give her a better standard of life? So these girls think, if I marry someone handsome, I'll not be able to take care of my family. If I marry someone good looking, I'll not be able to give them a good life. Okay, if I marry someone who is a local, we'll just live hand to mouth. So they think to themselves, okay, I might as well get someone who will, even if he's old, will take care of me. But now here's a problem. I'll tell you where the problem is.